Meh, meh, meh. Hello. Hi. Um, hello, hello. Um, what the? Okay, so what are we doing today? Oh yeah, game dev. Some excellent game dev. I have done the many codes, the many codes outside of stream. Like, I now have uh Twitch on the outside, on the server, and it's chilling. It's chilling. Currently only my new overlay uses it, but it's a trial run, I guess. It's a trial run, but I'm pretty sure it's going very well. But yeah, we're doing some game dev stuff today because it's time. It's time to get back into it. Now, I think I want to revisit. Well, like I'm tempted to revisit how we do everything and not necessarily start again, but uh just clean things up, make things like work better. But I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it's ill advised. Oh, look at that. A big dumb fimsh. Yo, what the? Bye bye, big dumb fimsh. Bye bye. Okay, and yeah, so I think that's what we're doing. Yo, why does Twitch say I'm offline? Am I offline? No, I'm not offline. Okay, thank God. Sorry, I'm just checking my other monitor, my very far monitor. Holy, holy. All right then. All right then. Let's get started. Is everything looking fine? Everything is looking fine. I am offline. Thank you for that. Thank you. Yeah, I should press the start streaming button. I forgot. I forgot. Don't punish me. I only forgot. Yeah. Did we just run it? Yeah. Okay. Cool. Cool. It does work. Really nice. Nice. Okay. So, what do we actually need to do for this game? There's so much we could do for it. There's so much. Yeah. Welcome in, Dara. Hello. Hello. Oh man, I got some tea. Delicious. So I think do we start with the menus or like I've been avoiding the menus so much. So many menus avoided. What is going on? Whoa. Menus should be I did that. Well, yeah, well, that's kind of what I've been doing because like if you have like this is like kind of a menu-ish, and you go new game, and then you can't see it. This settings thing is here, and you can press it, and you get this, and then like options menu does nothing because I'm like, oh no, option menu. That's a lot of UI stuff that I don't want to deal with. No, yeah, like that. Yo, the fireworks went off. Oh, oh. Yo, I need my overlay to not do that. Oh, look at that. So this here, uh, it will fix UI itself. Yo,
Dara not subscribed for a total of 5 months.
thank you. Bread 4. Thank you very much for the subscription. The bread 4. Yeah. Yeah, I'm glad the fireworks works. It's a little bit hard to see with my current background. Is it easier to see like this? It's all right. It's all right. But I'm very glad to see this new overlay is working because these events are coming from my server rather than running it locally, and that's Pog. That's very Pog. Let me put that away now. We don't need that. Yo, hello aggro. Welcome. Of course I'm using Rust, yeah. Of course, of course. One of your friends uses that one? You try to learn GML? Wait, what's GML? It's not machine learning, is it? Graphics. GML. Wait, GML. Who am I talking to? Just YouTube. Just YouTube. Or I'm a bit crazy. Who knows? Who the fuck knows? I could be crazy. I'm probably crazy. Game Maker? Ah, nice. Nice. Oh man, I remember Game Maker back in the day. That was a fun time. That was a fun time. Yeah, I don't know how it holds up these days. Apparently it's very different to what it was like when I used it. I am crazy, leave UI. So the other personality. True. I'm a game dev, you're probably a little crazy. I think that's a fair assessment, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Oh man, there's so many things we have to implement and do. Okay, let me open up Obsidian because I know we have a list. There's a list of things to implement here. Oh, and we have bugs. Oh shit, we have bugs on your. You're not a fan of the subscription model, but you like the feeling. Oh yeah. Yeah, when I was doing it, there was no subscription. It was free unless you wanted to release a game, and then you only paid when you released the game, I think. And it was like $50 or something. No idea. Mostly working in RPG Maker, so Ruby and JavaScript. Really? I didn't know RPG Maker made those. Oh, sorry, not made those. Used those languages. I've never used it before, so yeah. Okay, yeah, so all right. There's nothing crazy here. There's nothing crazy here. Man, I really need see like I part of me wants to move most of the interactions, not move them, but change them to be a cascading trigger. So one trigger leads to another trigger and leads to another trigger. Because currently when you have like cell select multiple yeah, like here cell attacked is just a reader, and so multiple areas do the attack thing. For me, it's fine. Sick title screen, thank you. Yeah, Count Grimheart drew everything you see here. It is very cool. They are very talented. Holy. Yeah, we might do some art later on. I'll see. I'll see about it later though. It's like Slay the Spire. It does look like Slay the Spire a bit. It does have those vibes. Like, part of what I need to do is because you're actually descending the tower, which at the very least you're going through floors in the tower, and at the moment when you go through floors, it's just like this. You just like warp there, and the water just stays. And so I think in between levels we should have a whatchamacallit? Yeah, I forgot. Have like the tile, like the level. I want the inventory, that thing that went away at the beginning, to come back, and then your characters that are alive like jump back onto it, and then the main level like drops away, and then you go into like the gacha section, and then the gacha section goes away, and then you head into the next level with it falling down. I think that would be really cool. And maybe as you go down this water level thing, it also moves itself up. I guess we'll see. About that, but for now, that's that is my thoughts. It's my many thoughts. My name colors. My name colors. My name colors. No idea. What am I looking for? Yeah, so with that in mind, I do want to get the gacha thing going, but I think I need to look at how we deal with levels, because I think the way we deal with levels currently is pretty rough. It's pretty rough. Stages. I'm pretty sure it's under like a stages kind of deal, possibly. Oh yeah, stages, game stage, pause state. Yeah, okay, this is where we have it. So, unit placement phase. Yeah, so if I'm not mistaken, so check for turn end during combat and unpaused, and yeah, okay, so check for turn ends. How does this work? I've forgotten how this works. So we check if characters can move, and if no characters have movement left, we unhover all of the tiles so that none of them are selected or are highlighted. We reset character transparencies, nice. And then if it's the ally's turn, it becomes the monsters, otherwise it goes back to the ally's turn. Right, that makes sense. Gifted movement 2, yeah, that does that. Oh yeah, load map, spawn load level 0. Wait for map to load. End unit placements, stage. Right, so when we, yeah, okay. Wait, so how do we know when we've won? That's here too, right? Load map, check if units to place, wait for map to load, gift movement to, check for turn end. No, this is not it. Wait, did I put it somewhere else? Is it like the map? Game. It's on the game, maybe. No. Wait. It goes to unit placement. Right? Wait for map load, check if unit's placed. Load map. Wait, what? Oh, it's probably under map. This probably makes sense because we have the map checking itself. Surely. Check win condition. Yeah, this is what we want. Go to definition. Yeah, so we win, lose. No, this is not right. This is actually like the game finishing or not finishing. That's not correct. Although load next map might have. Oh, so we go to load map. Oh, when we go to load map, we trigger load next map. Oh, that's interesting. And then presumably it does this. Okay, so under game stage load map. Move to next stage. Oh, it is here. All right, it is. This is. Oops. Oh yeah, it is in check win condition. Yeah, so if you won the round and it is a win condition situation, then we load the next map. Nice. Okay. Okay. So we don't want to do that anymore. Well, I guess we do, but we also don't. Hello, Nora's chair. Welcome in. Hi. How do we simplify this? I guess is the question. How do we simplify this? Because we want to add a new stage, which will be like the gotcha stage, and that is different to unit placement. Paused, unpaused. So I guess it's game stage, and then this will be like the gotcha stage. Yeah. Okay. Which does mean gotcha, pog whalers. Well, like the idea is instead of getting instead of getting a booster pack, well, you will still get booster packs, but instead of getting them during the fight, you'll kill the enemies and you'll get coins, either coins or balls or whatever, and then you can put them in the gacha machine to well, for now it'll give you a booster pack, which is the thing that currently appears on field, but it'll give you a booster pack, and then you can open it up and you can be like, yo, what the, this is pog. And then part of this is you'll be able to submit three of your characters to re-roll them, and so yeah. Okay, so that also means the first round is going to be a gotcha round 2. Oh, this is a lot. This is a lot for just starting back into the repo. Yeah, Oz, hello, Oz. Welcome in, Raiders. Hello. I hope your stream went well. I haven't been able to catch like any of your streams recently, Oz. It's been sad. But yeah. Can move, no possible movements. Yeah, okay. So I suppose map. Level cap. Keep move bar. Current level, move to next stage. Keep move bar. So I wonder if here we just go map dot move to next stage. We'll just set this to true. We go find map. Oh shit. Struct map details. Yeah, here, so we go pub, move to next stage, and then this is a boolean, like so. And then presumably we will have to, that's fine. Is this where we create it? Yeah, so here we go, move to next stage is false, save, we change sends into right. Stream went well, you made progress and did some Monster Hunter. How's you and the Bevy things going? I'm doing good. Bevy things are doing excellently. My new this new overlay, you can't see much. This one with the timer. Whoa, it's huge. This is separate to the fimshes currently, but soon at some point the fimshes will go on here. But this one also has fireworks. But currently the Twitch stuff is running on a server and sending data to my little window here, and that way I don't have to worry about connecting to Twitch or having too many Twitch connections and all that shebang. And it's pretty pog, and I'm keen to move the fimshes over. And maybe if I'm like smart enough, you see this triangle? maybe I can make fimshes clickable, and then I can grab a fimsh and drag it around and play little games with it. That could be interesting. Who knows? Who knows? With the Dorito, yeah. Yeah, we also have a timer. This timer is gonna become vital for the Fimshathon. Yo, I'm having a Fimshathon, but it'll be in June. It'll be in June. But I'm already making a lot of really pog things for it. I'm keen. I'm very keen. Nora, hello. You arrived. Your chair is here too. Sit. Fimshathon poggies, yeah. Yeah, it's probably gonna be in a month. So it's either gonna be on the 1st and 2nd of June, or the 8th and 9th, or the 15th and 16th. I haven't decided yet. But when I do know, I'll be posting notifications on my Discord for what it's all about and all the stuff we'll have. I've been making some pog stuff. It's exciting. It's very exciting. Okay, so right, so we changed that so the map stuff is fine. Okay, check for turn end. So here we're checking for turn end, but also part of this I think is we'll go if do we have map here? We do not have map here, so we go map resource. Maybe we make it mutable. Map details. So here we just go if map dot move to next stage is true, then we'll put it to false, and then we'll go next state dot set. Actually, this is combat term. We don't care about combat term. We care about this one. So this is next game stage. State. Oh my god. Game state. Game stage. Yeah, so we go game stage, and then we go gotcha, save. You need to get around working on the super secret things. Your brain is too dodged. That's okay. That's okay. Just go at your own pace. Yo, food! Yo, let's go. Food time. Food time. All the food. Yeah. Thank you for watering me, Oz. Thank you, thank you. What's wrong with this? Oh, this is next game stage. Fimsies. Oh, look, a big dumb fimsh. A big dumb fimsh, let's go. Okay, so now we have a gacha stage. So if I'm not mistaken, if I run this, we'll get stuck. We'll get stuck. Yeah, maybe drawing will happen earlier today than I thought. Although I don't know how to make a gacha thing. Maybe for now we just have a button and you click it, and then it decreases one coin, and then what's it called? A booster pack appears. Oh, it is compiling. art to stream too. I really want to do more art. Yeah. I mean, I also want to do more German learning, so I don't know how I'm gonna fit it all in. How can I do all three? Maybe. Maybe. I mean, it would be nice to do all three. I really want to get the good at the German and the art too. Because like, imagine how cool I could make the games if I could do the art myself. Oh, delicious. Mm. Oh, whoa! What is this? What is it doing? It's taking forever. Yo, hello, hello. What is going on? Yeah, I really hope you've been doing it as best as you can. As mm, I do miss hanging out in your streams. They're a lot of fun. But you know, what are you gonna do? So busy. I'm so busy these days. It's insane. It's like I'm if I'm not streaming, I'm like in the middle of doing shit. There's no breaks. That's not quite true. But it's more like when I'm taking a break, it's very purposeful. We collect this and this is where it stops, right? Yeah. Yeah, because we've entered a game state that is something. Oh, we enter the gacha game state. So currently the level stays there. Do we want the level to stay there? Probably not. So I mean, okay, it doesn't help you start a stream 2 hours earlier than when you started. Wait. Oh, did you forget to like press start streaming, or did you have the bug I have sometimes where you press start streaming and OBS says you're streaming, but like the data is just 0 the entire time. Oh man, I hate that bug. I'm traumatized by that bug. I was about to do something and then I forgot. Oh no. Oh no, I forgot. I forgot. Oh no. I was literally about to do something. Oh. Sheesh. You've been starting earlier for the past few weeks now? Yep, I forgot. Oh well, whatever I wanted to do on the other screen. I'm not doing it anymore. Okay, so on enter that systems run if wait for load map gift movement 2 on enter combat hand monsters check for turn ends. Oh yeah, I guess what we do here is we just go add systems on enter game stage gacha and then we'll go setup gacha scene save, and then here we'll just go fn setup gacha scene. Here we should definitely have commands as like so. Wait, do we use Bevy 16 for this or no? I forgot if we migrated it or not. Oh, we do. Yo, that's sick. That's heckin' sick. Okay, so we need to clear out all of the map as we know it. How do we do that? I don't remember. Tiles, cells. Maybe it's part of tiles. Reset, offset, tile, decorative, cell attacks. None of this is about cleaning tiles. What about cells? Despawn after cell animation. Cell attacked. Wait, how do we get rid of the cells? I mean, I guess there's a few ways we could do it, but I want to do it the right way. Game over, prevent level end, half enemies, map details, load next map, clear map. Oh, there's a clear map function. Clear map. Is this a trigger? Yeah, that's a trigger. So in stages, here we go commands.trigger, clear map, then save. Okay, so now the very first level should clear itself once we pick up the gacha thing. Well, actually, we should be starting in the gacha scene because you will start with 1 coin and the gacha machine, and you'll click the button, get 1 character. I think the very first character I'm gonna make it static so you can only get the 1, and that way we can craft the very first experience well and you don't get stuck like with a shit starting character. But then everything after that will be random. Yeah, I think I should add fireworks when someone follows. Just like have it for like 2 seconds or something. I think that's a good idea actually. Might go while that compiles, we go open folder. Whoops, I did it twice. We go get Bevy useful plugins here. So where do we handle the Twitch events that come from the server? There's somewhere like simple, right? Yeah, here. So Twitch events, right? Maybe it's in here. This place still in here, which is what we wanted. We don't use most of this though. No, we don't use this at all. Wait, what? So Kofi donation, that's fine. Handle Twitch, chat message. Wait, how does fireworks work? Wait. Did I hard code it? No. Wait, what? Fireworks. Trigger event. Yeah, that's the button. Spawn fireworks. Oh, spawn fireworks. I just have this as the thing that captures the event. Oh, nice. Nice. So here we just go Twitch events. Whoops. Go away for now. Twitch event, what is it? A follow. And then here we'll just go copy and then paste. And then we'll just put it in for like, what, like 5 seconds? Save. Yeah. And then it's complaining because this is not set to 16. Save, close. And now that's fine. So we go cargo build release. And then while that's building, we will run this one. Yeah, okay, hang on. Before I go there, here we'll also go handle add break, Twitch events reader, Twitch events, command spread. So basically, I want the timer to show the Twitch ad duration when it starts. So we'll add like we'll add whatever time the event says the break is. Is this said? Yeah, it is said. Hello, package main. Welcome in. Yeah, so we go for events in Twitch events.read. So we're matching events where the Twitch event is ad break begin. I believe this is duration in seconds. We don't actually care about anything else, but here we go. Commands.trigger. Is it like add time? Can we add custom time or currently create fireworks? Wait, no, this is fireworks clock. Add time. Oh, it has a seconds component. Yeah, okay, it has a seconds component. What's this saying? It's never used. That's fine. So, excuse me. So here we go. Add time. New, and we just pass in duration dot. Yeah. Have you used the Z editor before? Started at request is automatic duration seconds, so this is actually add break. Add break. Doesn't Twitch events delay sometimes? Are you sending these yourself? Doesn't Twitch events have delays? They can have delays. My server in the cloud is receiving the Twitch event, and then I'm sending it to this client here. And there's definitely a delay there, but as U32, we're not after super accurate at the moment. Like eventually I do want to have my overlay like start the handle ad breaks themselves by starting them with the overlay instead of just relying on Twitch's automatic one. But yeah, like yeah, so Twitch events can be delayed. It's probably why they have the started at as part of one of these this ad break. Yeah, they have a started at string, but it's just, like the timer will just be relatively correct. Like it'll be vaguely close, and I think that's all we need. So we'll add that to the timer. So handle ad break. Let's add that to the many updates we have. Setup update. Yeah, handle Twitch, handle kofi, handle ad break. Save. Nice. Now we'll build this. Makes sense. You do that as well, integrating it directly into your streaming client. Yeah, so currently my actual overlay, it does the webhooks locally, and I've moved to this new one here where I've made a tunnel. I swear I just saw it. Oh yeah, a tunnel thing to tunnel to my server with a SSH tunnel, and so the server has Twitch and Kofi events coming through it, and so now I get both. I get both from the same place, and it's very useful. It's very useful. And I'm hoping this will be the future, because then I can just like have multiple overlays if I want that will just like do different things, and all I need to do is launch them, and that's it. Easy peasy. Yo, thanks for the follow. Did that finish? Oh, I did finish building. Yo, nice. Okay, let me so this is the overlay here. Let me find its terminal. Yeah, here it is. Oh, I can I should stop printing out the messages because we do not need that currently. Ready, finished. I don't remember what finished means. I think it closed. But anyway, let me just close this and then run it again. Oh wait, it didn't compile? Oh, I thought we compiled it. Oh well. Oh well. We'll have to wait for it now. So here, I'm gonna go on received Twitch finished event. Actually, how do we do logs? I've forgotten how we log things. Yep, don't know. Yeah, fucking received. It's gonna be the death of me. Wait, hear me out. Connect to Kofi, and then the rest should be fine. Well, the timer is ticking down, but we don't actually care. The timer should actually start adding ad break time to it in a second. So I'll just put it here, and we'll just wait for it. Nice. I guess, yeah. Because we can start having it do other stuff when ad break starts too, which will be nice. We also included forced randomized ads that Twitch fires off, or is there any concern for large channel with quotas? Forced randomized ads that Twitch fires off. It would be this would include anything Twitch considers playing an ad, and I think that's always uniformed into the same event. And so I think it would include the forced randomized ads, but I don't know if that's a thing. What is forced randomized ads anyway? Because as far as I'm aware, if you are watching during the 3 minutes that are the ad time on my channel and you don't have turbo or not subscribed, then regardless of when you join, you'll always have up to 3 minutes of ads. So like technically if you joined at like the last 5 seconds, they can still serve you 3 minutes of ads, which is pretty brutal. And also if they let it like tick down to the pre-roll off to 0, then you can start getting entry ads. And then wait, let me simplify this. There is a case when I start stream that ads don't start immediately. This is a problem. I manually start the ads because it takes too long for Twitch to automatically start ads. And the problem this creates is if I don't click start ads like pretty immediately, if someone joins the stream at the very beginning, they will get pre-roll ads from me not having run any ads yet. And then because I've clicked the 3-minute ad break, they'll get another set of ads. And so you can end up with like 6 minutes of ads at the very beginning. And it's quite brutal. And I would like that to stop. I think only a few people have been caught in it, luckily, but it's very frustrating. It's very frustrating. I think having the overlay handle ads is gonna make that not a problem. Okay, so this is fine. I guess in approximately 15 minutes, we'll see. We'll see if the timer ticks up. Okay. I'll just save this and then close that. As long as it's included in the events, you've never been able to trust the Twitch API personally. Which one? Because I'm using the event sub one with my library. Because it's not the okay, maybe I'm unclear. It's not the Twitch API that you query, it's the event subs that does it. But if I'm to manually activate Twitch ads, I will be using the Twitch API to do that. Some fix you always show up late. Well, like I usually leave posting my live message on Discord until after I've already clicked the ads button, so that usually I wait until that has finished or close to when it has finished. Because there's no point coming before then or like notifying people before then. Yeah. Oh yeah, clear map. Did we run this? I don't remember if we ran this. New game. Get our little gotcha thing. Yeah, there we go. We did clear the map. Hog. Hell yeah. Okay, so I guess can we add a button easily? Because here we have a button, right? But it does unique things. What's this tile? Red button. Observe. Click effect, pointer, pointer, pointer. Red button. Does this link to things? Hang on, let's go. Red button. Find all references. Is there like a on add red button? Without red button. No. Okay, nice. Thinking. So I think most of this ends up being the same because these animates will happen. The sound effects we want to happen. Animation graph we want. Visibility we don't want. This is manual. This is just for this one specifically. If you want that, the cell location's manual. This is manual. That's manual. These are probably manual too. Wow. All right. Let's move this button into its own thing. So we go to tile. We're just going to new file called it button because we want the button to become flexible. Hub super and plugin app and not app. And then use Bevy prelude star. Here we go. F struct create button. Create button on this current entity. And then do we give it a cell? Probably not. Hamburger Royal Tornado Shot. What does that mean? What does that mean? This is derive component. Wait, should it be a component or should it be a trigger? We could make it a trigger. Like, why make it a component when we can make it a trigger? Create button. There we go. Trigger. Create button. And here we have commands. Oh, we don't make it a trigger because we need the entity. Although we could pass the entity to it. Because like if we go component, this becomes okay, let's just make it a trigger. This will be like on entity, and then we have entity. And I think that's it. Really? Plutonium. Do you eat too much plutonium? Oh shit. Does that make you... What? Or did you just have like a tasty as meal that just happened to include many beans and not the normal kind of beans? Right button. Yeah, let's have this as a trigger. I think that will be good. So we come back to inventorying. You're a bean fiend? Yo, nice. Oh, I haven't had beans of any kind in so long. I kind of want some. Wait, I think this is most of the button stuff, so let me just paste this here, save, come back to the inventory. Let me just copy all of this and then we'll just keep the ones we actually want. Friends. So yeah, so we don't care about tiles. I don't think we care about inventory. We already have commands right now. We want graphs, we probably want assets, and we don't care about map details. Yeah. Yeah. So too many brackets missing. Oh, we're not importing this, so tile. Here we are. Mod button save. You'll take me out for some nice jacketed potatoes. Yo, I love those. Yo, wait, you put beans with your jacketed potatoes? Yo, that's genius. That's genius. Why have I not thought of this? I usually just like make the jacketed potatoes and then put like jalapenos and sorts of spices and cheese and sometimes a few other things, but I've never tried it with beans. That would be giga delicious. We need to add an observer for create button. Okay. That's good. Brackets. That's fine. This is fine. Do I have too many? Yeah, I did. I had too many closed brackets. But now it's like, yo, we got so many other issues. Hash map, graph animations. Yeah, okay, we're gonna import all this stuff. Tile, inventory tile, red button. Sure, it'll come with water caustic effects. We don't set the cell. The cell will be set beforehand. Graph animation's good. This is unique, so we will remove map details from this entirely. Play graph animation. That's a unique event. Play sound effect, animate and animate. Wait, that's good. That's good. That's very good. All right. Okay, play animation graph. Oh, that is a function. Yeah, and then play sound effect. We need to import that as well as the event itself. Animate on. Okay, perfect. Nice. Okay, with all that done, create button plugin. Yeah, so under tile, here we have plugins. We'll just add the button plugin. Like so. Now, are we able to head into inventory and then basically just be like, we don't want any of this anymore. I'll just comment it all out. Like so. But then we'll just copy this part because there's a very small part of this that we actually want. So here we go commands.spawn. Yeah, so we spawn, we don't care about tile or inventory tile or this or that. We do care about the cell. Well, ad break's coming. We'll see if the timer correctly sets itself. Yeah, so we just care about the cell and then the visibility. What is this? Yeah. And then we don't care about animation. We do care about ending placement when it is clicked. And yeah, the rest of this doesn't matter. But at the very end of this, we just go ID. Oops. ID. And then this is mut button ID is equal to that. Then here we go, commands to trigger create button on entity button ID. Did we call it on entity? I remember it was something weird like that. Well, it is on entity. I just didn't make it public. Oh, look, the timer worked. Yo, the timer worked. Yeah, I'm gonna take this moment to go to the toilet and take a break myself. I'll be back in well, as the timer says, in 3 minutes. Where is ad break? Oh, here it is. Yeah, Bevy. Meh, that's me. Hello. Okay, nice. Right. We never read on entity, so we do need to read that because this is no longer all of this. This is now entity trigger dot on entity. And we go dot insert and then double bracket. Nice. Okay, let's see if the button still works or if we've broken it forever. Hopefully it's actually fine because like we have simplified this quite a lot because we just create a button at a cell with a visibility and like it does something which is this observer and like we just tell it to create a button on that entity. Very simple. Your ad started 10 seconds before your overlay. Not big deal, but you could perhaps an offset if you wanted them to line better since it's natural latency from your end. Well, I can't add an offset because at the moment I don't trigger the ads. The Twitch triggers the ads, and so we don't get the ad event until they send it to me. But yeah, so this I guess manually triggering ads is the way to go. Then it doesn't matter because I can just like yeah it's simple. But yeah, you're right. The latency because like that is interesting. I've never thought of that before. Why have I never thought about that before? Wait, is my stream 10 seconds behind? How can I test that? Oh, I can play the stream, move the triangle, make it big, move it back. No, it's not 10 seconds behind. Okay. Maybe the ads are just fucked. But yeah, basically, I guess when we trigger it manually, it'll be very easy to just start the ads then in terms of the counter and then have it go for like 30 seconds longer or something to cover starting earlier than the ads actually started. Or we have it pretend it started at 3 minutes, but then when we get the ad break come in event, we just reset it to the correct amount of time. I don't know. It sounds complicated. Right, we can't test the button because currently we go to the gotcha stage. So here, okay, instead of that, we can go next stage. Yeah. Next stage, set game stage, load map. I think this is what it should have been. Because if we were to not... Yeah, I think load map is the... Yeah, so we're just bypassing the gotcha stage now. They might be different based on viewer location. Yeah, but like the thing with manually triggering it, we'll always know ahead of time rather than currently where we only get indicated in the past. No, in the future, in the past. After it's already begun, that is when we get notified. So yeah, but it's yeah. The solution is just to manually trigger it, and that's it. That's that simple. I'm a bit hungry. Um, Yeah. Yo, why does this take so long? It's like the very last compile. It just takes forever to build. It's kind of a rip. It's kind of a killer. Yeah, I really should add tea time back. Tea time would be nice. Tea time was a bit of fun. Yo, maybe I have a mini game play while we compile. That would be pog. Like bring back Plinko. Bring back I don't know. I don't know. I do have some new stuff for the overlay that I'm really keen to. Well, some of it's already implemented, but I'm really keen to enable it. But not today. Not today. Soon though. Soon though. Yeah. I mean, what's going on with my? Oh, nothing. Okay, nice. Yeah. Why? Legit. Take forever. Oh no. Oh no. I'm getting impatient. So impatient. Don't save. Wait, okay. Now we click new game, we click this. Yeah, the button did show up, which was good. Now we move here. Oh, look at that, it does work. Oh man, it's perfect. It's exactly what we wanted. Okay, so we go back to stages and then instead of this, we go commands dot spawn, and then we go cell new. Does this take into? Yeah, it does. Let's just go 0 0. And did we need anything else? I don't think so. Why does it have a problem? Here, then we go ID. Elect new button. And here we go, commands dot trigger create button. Is it not called create button? Or is it only available here? It might be only available here. That would make sense because I haven't exposed it upwards. So did I make it public? I did make it public. So under tile up here, you go here. So you're tab, use button, create button, save stages, create button, on entity, new button, save. Then we just import this. And that should get us a cute little button. Hopefully. I hope. Oh no, we're gonna have to wait for this half-an-hour adventure every single time. Maybe I should be working on 2 projects at the same time. Maybe that's the only way to fill in the gaps. Drop a... What the... Wait, what? He dropped a toxic nuclear atomic gaseous egg bomb fart in your chair? Yo, your chair is receiving some abuse. Holy. Yo, did you get airborne though? I mean, like, it's kind of, I don't know. Do you think it's possible someone could get airborne from that kind of thing? Like, I guess in terms of just like physics, like it must be, but I guess the likelihood is low because you would have to be at a weight threshold and the wind exit speed would actually have to be ridiculous. Like I'm thinking it might be to the level where it's actually gonna destroy your chair in order for it to work anyway. Slightly lifted to heaven. Oh my god. Oh, sorry, I was just eating comfy. Okay. Okay. Nice. Yeah, okay. I guess we should just work on 2 projects because like this is ridiculous. Actually ridiculous. Did I turn off like the fast compile stuff is here. Is it set up here? Dynamic linking. Yeah, so I have all the fast compile stuff going. It's just slow. It's just slow. Oh yeah. Oh wait, it didn't clear the tiles though. Wait, why did you not clear the tiles? Hello? Well, let's run it again. Did I remove the clear tile function? We go boom. Maybe I did. That would be accidental. Alright, we can remove all this now too. All that code gone. Save. Stages. Oh, I did remove the clay map. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, that does compile. We should camera. And while that compiles, let's open up the camera because I would like a trigger. Camera offset billboard. Yeah, let's add a event here. We'll just go drive events obstruct focus on cell, and then this will take in a cell, I think. Because at the moment, Vec3 is the only way we focus on something, but I think focus cell will be good. That's the wrong kind of cell. I imported the wrong cell, oh no. That is also the wrong cell. Oh. Yeah, I'll expose cell outside of game. I think that's all right. Because the reason it's not giving me the option is because it's all self-contained inside of cell. Well, I'm just thinking like maybe the smart thing to do is we save inside the game. We don't have a camera in here, but if we go camera.rs here, use Bevy star. Oh. Derive component obstruct focus camera at cell, and then this is a pub cell, the one we know about, and then we go FM super 9 out of 10 dentists agree owls are heckin' cute. Do they now? Do they now? Yeah, look at that button. Okay. FM super plugin app and what app. What is wrong with this? Public super FN plugin, and there we go. And then this one is not a component, this is in event, and this is app.addObserver focus focus camera at cell, then focus camera at cell. So this is a trigger of a trigger that is focus camera at cell. You're welcome to ask your dentist, just make sure you're not going to the one. That game in your background was neat, thank you. Yeah, Count Grimheart drew that. Oh, well, they also drew all the pixel art you see in game, but yeah, they're a very talented artist. Very cool. Focus camera at cell. Yes, so now we have a trigger at a cell. So how does this work? How does this work? So I guess first things first, we head into game in here and we just go mod camera, and then we come down to these plugins and we go camera plugin. We head back into here. So we get the cell itself trigger.o. Yeah, trigger.o. Oh, what's wrong with this? Yeah. Dot to translation, which gives us a vector 3, right? Yeah, it does. And so this is just commands. So yeah, this is just like a little wrapper for our camera, because now we can go commands.trigger focus camera at, and then we pass in the vector 3 save. I cannot spell commands apparently. You have confusion? You've just been sitting here existing? Well, it sounds like it's not too boring. Like, I guess, oh, you have a confession, not confusion. Yo, I can't read today. There is no reading. Trigger, camera focused. Yeah, who would have guessed? Who would have guessed? It's also like I'm also not the one to confess your sins to. Pretty sure there's a place for that. Trigger commands. Yeah, okay, this is fine. That is fine. That will do all the triggering stuff. So now in stages, what I should be able to do is we know we want it to center on cell 00. So if we go here, we go that cell. We don't need it immutable. Cell is equal to cell new at 00. And here we also pass it in. We cell. We may have to clone it. But yeah, here we go. Commands.trigger. Focus camera at cell and cell again. Do we have to clone cell? No, it looks like it's fine. Well, like, that doesn't seem right. Surely I have to clone cell. Like, is it not going to come back and say, like, yo, the ownership of cell? I guess it's not mutable, so maybe it's doing some shenanigans. I don't know. My Rust sensors says I need to clone it here. But maybe I had to implement copy. Yeah, I probably had to implement copy, and that's why it's not a problem. Okay, so now at very least we should be focused on the button once it spawns. Right, what can we work on while it builds? maybe we do like some German learning or some drawing while it builds. Those are both pretty good options. Raspberry and that, yeah. Thank you. I'm glad you think it's neat. Call up and dryer. Welcome in. Hello. How you doing? Mm, 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 mm. Well, we should like stop. Well, yeah, we need to skip the first phase. I know, like everything I am thinking that we need to do programming wise ends up being part of this project, which is good, but we can't. We have to wait for it to compile. Let me open up my useful plugins thing again. Get useful plugins. Okay, so what do I need to work on here to get it to fix itself? So, oh, nice. This started. Okay. Oh yeah, it works. The button is center of screen. Hell yeah, let's go. Okay, so I actually don't think we want the button at exactly 0, 0 like we have it currently. Let's put it at like 10, 10, and we'll save this. And then, yo, fireworks. What the? Yo, block. Thank you. Yeah, so if it's at 10, when we click the button, we want it to spawn a new booster pack. A new booster pack. So I think we need to add some tiles on screen. So I wonder if we go commands.spawn tile. Oh wait, spawn tile? Spawn tile. It's part of the map. Spawn tile. It's a component. Floor. Spawn tile. This is a function. Yeah, okay. I think all we need to do is come back to tile stages. I think all we need to do is have tile here. We just add tile and then we add a cell. So cell on U and then XY. Let's spawn a line for now. So we go 0 to 5. Let's make this X. X is 0 to 5. So, and then the Y would be, so let Y equal like 1. Save. We need to make this tuple. Save. What's wrong with tile? Nice. Okay, let's see if this works. And while that's compiling, we add a new observer for this button. So, where is the gotcha section? Gotcha, here it is. Do we have spawn gotcha box? Yeah, so yeah, okay, nice. Do I have a function that's like on press trigger this event? I might. And if I do, then that'll be really nice. It'll be heckin' nice. Yeah. So we go add, sorry, no, just observe, and there'll be, trigger event? No. How do I currently do it? So if we go to tile and then inventory. Yeah, okay, I have them specifically made for, yeah, okay. So all that means is that in gacha we just have a little function here. It would just be like fn spawn gacha. Yeah, spawn gacha. Wait. What do we call it currently? Spawn gacha character on trigger E. Oh, this is for opening the pack. That's fine. Add box to entity. That's unrelated. Add loot box to entity. Ah, here we are. Add loot box to entity. This is what we want. Yes. Okay, so just add loot box. Add loot box is the trigger. And so spawn loot box on, and then we go E for event. And then this returns a implement of fn that is a trigger of E plus commands. Because then here this is move brackets trigger followed by commands as mutable, and we go commands to trigger add loot box. Add loot box. Wait, this has like an entity on it, doesn't it? Add loot box. Spawn gacha box. Wait, where does this spawn it? Cell to location. Oh! So here we just go, we just have this taken location. Then here this is spawn gacha box. And we just pass in location. And we save. Okay, what did I fuck up here? Nothing. Spawn gacha box. Nice. And this trigger is just on press on, so that doesn't matter. This is fine. Spawn loot box on, and so we come back to stage, and then here we go observe spawn loot box on. This is going to be pointer arrest, and oops, pressed. The location will be. This does not belong here. Well, actually, this will be fine for the test, actually. This will be perfect. The location is, so if we go let cell is equal to, this is the cell. I'll just paste that there. This is cell, and then this is also cell. Save. So with our one line of piles that appear, we should be able to click each one, and then when we do click each one, it will spawn a loot, a gacha box on top of that button. I guess we'll see. Yeah, I'm pretty hungry today. It's not good. I have so many plans. I already ate some too, like before stream. It's heckin' wild. Yeah, what the? My one of my friends had that washing on on their little veranda on a little like clothes hanger, like just a small one, and there was a bird that just like flew down and sat on the clothes hanger and like chilled out with her. What a chill birdie. That's pretty cool. It is very cool. Why is DoorDash telling me stuff? Go away, DoorDash. No one likes you. You know, DoorDash scammed me. I think they scammed me twice, in fact. Like, I don't think... Like, I'm pretty sure they just, like, auto-signed me up for, like, the Dash Pass thing, just randomly. Like, I hadn't used any DoorDash for, like, months. And then PayPal's like, yo, DoorDash yoinked some money. And I'm like, what do you mean DoorDash yoinked some money? And then I had to, like, get a refund and all that stuff. I was like, well, okay, so none of the other tiles. Why are none of the other tiles here? Did we not spawn them? Oh, tile plus cell is not enough for the other tiles to spawn. That is interesting. Okay. How do we spawn a tile then? Okay, this spawn tile is tile plus cell. Add texture slab. Add texture slab, spawn tile with those two. Slab texture and add textured slab. Huh? Sorry, I've forgotten how my tile spawning works. In Togo, banks, so all online transactions have to be verified by you. It's handy to avoid scams or unwanted subscriptions. Yeah. Where am I from? You assumed Europe, but then I mentioned DoorDash. I am currently in Australia, and I have been in Australia my entire life. And this year is the year of Europe or the EU, because I am hopefully gonna make the move to Europe, and then POG, because like I don't know, we don't really have seasons here, and I'm very keen to go traveling and go to all the places, and so hopefully this year, if I am able to, I'm gonna go live in Germany for a year and also visit all the other nearby countries and stuff. And hopefully it's all POG. Yeah. If only. I know genetically I'm 100% from Europe. But that doesn't really count, I guess. Well, I mean, yeah, I don't know. But no. What am I doing? Right, we're trying to work out how tiles work. How do tiles work? Event add slab with texture. I'm pretty sure we need to add slab with texture. Wait, so in that case, here we go add slab with texture. Is this a event or is this a go to definition? It is an event. Okay. Come back to stages. So all of this we just go to ID. And here we go let tile is that, and we go to lens, let figure add slab with texture. New textures. Slab textures. Slab texture. Slab textures. I think we just go with basic, right? Oh, we need to go trigger targets, and then we pass in tile. Is this how it works? This might be how it works. Man, that's very weird. I mean, I guess all we're doing is moving the entity, where the entity is stored from within the struct to the trigger specifically. I wonder if that... I don't actually know which way is better. Or if trigger targets is slow because it expects it to have an array. Well, maybe it's faster because it expects it to have an array of entities. Maybe they're the same. They're probably the same, honestly. Like, well, it could be faster because we might be duplicating data. Oh man, what am I even saying? I don't even know. Right, this one, this thing. So if we go, do we have a clock? Oh, you know what I need to do? If we head into my Twitch library, is it still true if you have no subscriptions, you can, it doesn't create the Twitch thread? So if we go modules, event sub, subscriptions, edit all. No event sub subscriptions. Yo, this is useful actually. Okay, so as long as we're doing permission subscriptions, it's okay. Oh, well then in that case, if I head back to Bevy useful plugins, I wonder if I can get my bot to do this. So if I can get my bot to do this, I can send messages with my bot, no problems at all. And I don't have to worry about listening for events or anything. Yeah, so hope I have fun in Europe. Yeah, me too. Me too. I think I will. I have a lot of friends that are in Europe or near Europe if they're not in it. So it should be pretty poggers. My trans too, yeah. Yeah, I am. I haven't talked about it much on stream recently, but it does come up. I do discuss it sometimes. Yo, it works. I accidentally started clicking on them. Oh, look at that. Infinitely. Okay, so okay. Oh man, I'm getting all of the characters. Wait, yeah, this is pretty cool. Wait. If I just stack up all of the... Oh, wait, I can just stack a lot of gacha packs all on the same spot. Yo, that's a lot of enemies, like characters. Oh. Okay, I can't go to the next scene. That's okay. So let me close this. Okay, so if I only add permission subscriptions here, yo, none of this. Permission, read, write, that one, build. We don't care about IRC. We don't care about IRC either. Secret CNV. Yes. Command new commands. Disconnect. Send chat message. Send chat message. How's the passport stuff going? We're still waiting for the UK people to send my mum's birth certificate all the way to Australia, so we can send it all the way back to the UK. So we're still waiting. Apparently, they we ordered it. I don't know, like 2 or 3 weeks ago, and it's still not going to be delivered until the 14th. So we still have another week before it's even delivered. So yeah, it's been we're just waiting for them basically. That's it. We're just waiting. And slab with texture, slab basic. Right, the cell location. Because where did we put this one? Oh, we put this at 1010. So if we make this 1010, if we make this from, let's go 2 to 8, and then the Y is like 5, it should be kind of near the button. Nothing more British than bureaucracy. Apparently, I'm getting the authentic experience. I was about to do something and I forgot. Yeah, I forgot. Oh right, this spawn loot box. We will put it on the button itself. So here. At the moment it will put it on that cell. I wonder how we change that. Well, we change the cell. So if we go put it on cell new, let's go like 5.5. Let's see how this goes. Oh, good. And it is ad break in 15 minutes. I do need the toilet, so I may trigger it earlier. Actually, let's do it now. We're waiting for it to compile, the game thing to compile anyway. Let's do it now. I'm gonna do it now. Let me bring the timer up like this, and then we transition over here. And now if I shouldn't need to manually trigger have the ads thing. So if I trigger manually with a click of a button, the timer should go to 3 minutes. Yeah, there you go. Baby. Oh wow, I'm back. We're all back. Yeah. Let's see if the changes we made are useful or not. Wait, so they're way too far over, but now clicking on them doesn't spawn the package, but this does spawn a pack on that square. Nice, okay. Okay, what we will do is instead of providing a cell here, let me just save this. What we'll do is we'll just have it spawn on a tile that currently exists, and that should be good enough. So if I cut this until after this save, and then we go to gotcha. Here instead of on location, we have a query of what are we querying? The cells, everything that is a cell with tile and without red button, I guess, right? Red button. Okay, we got an import tile and also red button, and then location goes away. Let's save. So here we go available tiles. Oh, how do we have one that doesn't have one that doesn't have a gotcha thing on it? Does a gotcha box know what cell it is on? So spawn gotcha box. It does. It does know what gotcha, what cell it is on. So we'll have a query of these cells and then also another query that is also cell, but it is with gotcha without red button also. And so this other one needs to be well, yeah, so this is without tile, I think. And that way, this is tiles, this is gotcha loot box, this is loot boxes. And then from that, we can get the available cells by going tiles.iterate map cell. This is cell. And then we go loot boxes. Probably iterate remaining, creates new separate iterator yielding the same remaining items of the current one. Advancing the new iterator will not advance the original one. Yeah, I think we'll do that. Remaining, and then we go any, if any of loot box cell where loot box cell is equal to C, I guess this is it a filter map? Is it just a filter? It might be just a filter. And then we go collect back into a vector of underscore. Available cells, yeah. Okay, then we just pick randomly. So available cells dot there should be a pick if I'm not mistaken. Maybe it's like random choose. It's called choose. It's called choose. And then we go thread RNG. I think, at least maybe. All right, we need a and mark that thread RNG. Okay, it does not like that. Remove mot. That was not the problem. Add a reference here. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. Let's just go. Let RNG is equal to thread RNG. Choose takes in the mutable reference of thread RNG. This also needs to be mutable, I think. What does this return? Choose returns an option. Okay. So here we go. If let some cell, then we store a cell like so. Expected cell found that. Okay. So if I iterate this instead of just an iter, does that remove one of the references? It does not. You know what, I'll just clone it. Okay. Fuck it. Well, we'll have to dereference and clone it. Maybe clone it twice or dereference it twice, but whatever. Or maybe I do just dereference it twice then. Okay then. Alright. So now when I press the button, it should fill up the cells that exist. And once they're full, it won't spawn anymore. Which is pretty cool. Well, I hope it's pretty cool at least. Oh, I am hungry. Oh no. We've only been live like 2 hours. Oh no. Not the short stream. I would like to go at least another hour, if not more. I mean, ideally I get 4 hours in each day. 4 hours would be nice. I should post my schedule on Discord. Yo, does my YouTube even link my Discord? Let's have a look. Edit. Oh shit, it doesn't. Oh, yo, what am I doing? How do I get to my channel? Okay. Discord, copy link. Find my schedule on Discord. Nice. Save. There we go. There we go. That's all fixed up now. Yeah, maybe I will have to end soon because I am hungry. Holding. I was planning on doing something before I eat as well, and that takes like half an hour. Oh, it's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough. It's gonna be so tempting to just eat food instead. Oh right, yeah, we wanted to well, I need to do this. We wanted to thread through Twitch, receive single message. Yeah, so I want it to send Twitch event finished. Huh. Okay, they need to come to the left more. Ah, shit. It doesn't work. It no worky. Wait, why do you know worky? Does this not work? So with gotcha. Well, like with gotcha any. What if there is nothing here? Sorry, not any then. We want hello Baba. Welcome in. How you doing? If we go if loot box is the length not length is empty, else this filtering, so we have false here. Any, wait, no, any is wrong. No, maybe it's right. Okay, am I right making? It's a fundamentally it's a tactics game, but we're borrowing quite a few elements from the League of Legends TFT game. Yeah. Okay, so how does filter work? Is true to filter it and false is to not filter it? Creates an iterator, use clear to determine if element should be yielded. Must return true or false. The returned iterator will yield only elements which the closure returns true for. Ah, so that's true, and then we'll go not this. And then I'm missing a bucket. Okay, let's do that. Okay, let's see if that works. And while that compiles, let's head over here. So basically what I want to do is when we get the ready signal here, we go sender.send. Can I send a... Man, I need to re-import this. So I did unmod it briefly. So sender.twitch event send message. No. Oh. Wait. No, this is fine. We have Twitch here, right? Twitch? Yeah, we do. Send chat message. This will be test message on boss account, question mark. Save. And then go this one equals this. And then return. Maybe break. Yeah, break. Then we'll go break red. Okay, so as soon as it's ready, well, we won't get the ready, will we? Well, we shouldn't. Hopefully we don't get the ready. Okay, so given that, if I get the bot's details, how do I do that? How do I do that? So we go cd, get useful plugins. I have to edit this off stream because it's got my secrets in it. Yeah, okay, so it's got my proper secrets from it. That is fine. Where is my Godot stuff? That is the question. It's under Git. We have Godot projects. No, we don't. Oh, it's under downloads. Godot. Yeah, I don't know. Let me just open up Godot actually. It'll tell me where they are. So we go Godot. V4.3 maybe? Oh. What is the purpose of this Bevy plugin? What do you mean? Which Bevy plugin? There's a lot of them. Okay, so we go boom. Oh, I did pick one. Yo! Oh my god, it works! And it doesn't add any more until I click that, right? And then, oh. So I spam this button like, yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, that's very cool. Okay, this is exactly the behavior I wanted. Wait, that's good. Okay, so which project of these would be the one I need? Is it this? Let me go tactics based experiments, Godot simple chat. Okay, it's probably this one. So if so it's under git tactics based experiments. Okay, cd git tactics based experiments. No, it's not that. So if it's not that, then it's a part of the Twitch event sub rs Godot stuff. So Twitch event sub Godot ls. No, it is also not part of that. All right. Wait, where else would it be then? Let me run Godot again. Or it could be this one, simple chat example. No, we just checked this. Did I just check this? I don't think I checked this. So cd get Twitch events sub -rs examples Godot Twitch events simple lsla. Okay, this does have a secret CNV. That's true. It does have a bot env. Okay. Dot secret CNV at dot bot env. Okay. I think I've got it. So I'll just I can't show this on stream sadly. Okay, so that ends in a U. And then the secret. Save. Okay, broadcaster correct. Twitch bar ID is there, but I don't think we need it. Okay, so now if I run very useful plugins and what's this Twitch thread? Oh, we need this to actually be triggered. We need to do connect for Twitch. Okay, so we'll add this plugin and so here. So here we go. Add this plugin. Should we just have it run immediately? Or do we button it up again? I mean, buttoning it up is probably fine. It is what we did before. Well, let's just add a new button. Fuck it. Fuck it. Okay, paste this. All of this is fine. This is connect to Twitch, and then this is manage Twitch followed by connect. Save. Okay, I will compile. Oh, I will just compile and run this, and then we'll go work on the. Yeah. Okay, so we need to move the loop, the stage, the loop box stage. So this. Let's go from 5 to 10. And why is 5? Okay, that should move the boxes to the right. And do we want it closer as well? Maybe. Maybe we do. We do want to spawn the inventory actually. So that might make things complicated. Because how do we do that currently? How do we do that currently? Spawn inventory tiles and characters. Unintervened unit placement, spawn inventory tiles and characters. Okay, this finished. Nice. So if I now, oops, yeah, why is this not letting me? Yeah, what the? Yeah, why can I not? Why can I not like resize the terminal? Yeah, what the? I can. Wait, let's run it again then. Okay, let's run it again. Okay, so if I go connect to Twitch, invalid access token. Oh, right. Okay. Let me get rid of the refresh token and the user token. Here we go again. Connect to Twitch. Send live stream chat and room messages. So it opened with this. This seems correct. Authorize. No event subscription chosen. Exiting thread. Yeah, that worked. Well, it didn't work, but it did work. Which means the bot didn't send anything because we never got the ready message. But if we yoink this, wait, where is this event sub stuff coming from? Sorry. Build. This is the red. Okay. What if just after waiting for a single message, we just paste this here. We just send a message and then we break. It's that simple. Because then I can start having Owlbot send chat messages instead of my account. That'll be wild. I am a bit hungry. what are we doing today? We're working on my game, and also simultaneously, by accident, we're working on my new overlay and getting the seeing if we can get the bot account to send messages in the Twitch chat instead of my streaming account. Okay, so map. How does the map spawn the inventory? Because after we spawn all of this, we tell it to spawn the inventory. And how do we do that? So I gotta find this before we go check if that did it or if that did not do it. Right, map finish loading, map details, level cap, previous details. Wait, maybe with the inventory. How does it know when to do the inventory? So once this is done, we have map finished loading. We go to inventory. Do we do anything based on finished loading? We do not. It's one inventory and characters. Maybe it's just part of this. All cells. Yeah, maybe it's just part of this. But when does this get run? On game stage, unit placement. Um, I'll come back to that in a second. Okay, here we go, connect to Twitch. It didn't do anything. Token requires refreshing. Does it? RM dot refresh token, RM dot user token, run again, connect to Twitch. We authorize that, we do this. Huh. Yeah, so it does try to send the message, but it says user access token requires it requires the user right chat scope. Okay. Oh, right. That should be easy, right? So subscription mission read chatters. Does that have it attached? I'm not sure. I'm not sure actually. Come on. Okay, right. We can go back to the game while that happens. So what about instead of on unit placement, we go yeah, we add it as a D sport an observer. So I have the observer, then here we go. Well, the overlay is done. Connect to Twitch. Is he gonna do it? I think something happened or no. Missing required scope. Token missing required scope. Let me remove use the token and refresh token. Run again, connect to Twitch. I do the authorize thing, we go click here. Yeah, okay. We still need write. Is this what chat messages? Chat message might do this, but I think that stops that makes the event loop happen, which would be rip. I really should put the token refresh stuff just in its own little crate, so you just handle it separately, because that's what you need really. That's the annoying part of Twitch. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Oh, I don't want to. I don't want to finish up soon, but my stomach could do be the hungries, and I don't have snacks. Only full meals. How problematic. Only full meals. Crazy. Nice. How often do I stream? It ends up being most days. Like today for me is Wednesday afternoon / nighttime, and so it's most afternoons except for Thursday, and then I only do one night on it's either Saturday or Sunday for me, usually on average, and then throughout the week I try to do most days. I don't have a set day thing, but Thursday is my least likely day to stream out of all of the days. Yeah. So like I think it ends up being 4 or 5 times a week in total. On a low week, it'll be like 3 times a week. But yeah, I will be posting schedules on my Discord again. So hopefully that becomes more consistent, which will help. It'll help me answering that kind of thing. But yeah, let's see if it connects to Twitch now. Okay. Missing the client scope. Right, yes, I need to redo the tokens. Use the token. Everyone with links, connect to Twitch. Write chat messages as your user. Yo, that's what I want. Oh, no, it's me. That's me. Ah, goddamn. That's not what it was supposed to be. Oh, wait, what? Hang on. I know what I did wrong. Ah, shit, hang on. I was verifying the permissions with the wrong user. This has been the thing that went wrong the whole time. So let me log in to go. Sadly, this does not. I can't show any of this visually because it's all private stuff. If I go Twitch bot, let me log in with the bot. Yo, thank you for watering me. Thank you. Let me grab a sip now. A gulp even. Okay, so let me just read out my code for logging into Twitch because that'll definitely be what we need or want. Dot forward slash dot user token. Oh, there is no user token. Nice. Okay. What? Remind me later, please. Okay, so I just have that take. Yeah, okay. So your cargo one release, connect to Twitch. They'll send me somewhere. So if I just Control X that, and then this bot, this account will do this, and then we go authorize. Click here. Oh, yo, it worked. But yeah, it did start the event loop, which is a rip. Invalid auth token. Yeah, okay, nice. I really wish I had a better name for it though. A better username. But yeah, it worked. We have a bot account. That's sick. Although I do need to add a new permissions thing. Subscription. Like, we don't have it anywhere else, do we? Delete message, manage rewards, read moderator, send announcements. Let's have a look at the source. Let's have a look at the source. Structs, source. Is this where the source is? What are we looking for? Permissions. Subscriptions. This is what we're looking for. IRC read write, message read channels, delete message. Okay, so yeah. Right. So chat message here. Yeah, okay. So what we want to do is we'll go subscription and then we go permission right chat, and then this will be nothing followed by the scope, which is user right chat like so, and followed by, I think it's empty. Let me just move this down to where all other permissions are at the bottom. Yeah, it is empty. So we go paste. That's all fine, but this is circle brackets followed by a comma. And then we just need the permission right chat. Read chatters. Should we write to chat? Yeah, let's go right to chat. So I'll just copy that and then we'll scroll up. So permission here is, oops. Oops. Where did it go? Here it is. Right to chat like so, followed by is permission. Yeah, this one. So we go or subscription, right to chat, save, and then we just need to add that here as well. So permission right to chat, save, permission right to chat, save again. I think that's it. I think that's it. Is permissions in here? It is, but I don't think we need anything. I think the default one works fine. Yeah, okay. So with that done, I should be able to head back to Bevy's full plugins and then go permission right to chat, save, remove user token, remove refresh token, cargo run release. And while that's happening, we come back to the game. So the game, we were spawning this one. Spawn inventory tiles and characters. So we're paste here, save that. On into unit placement. We'll do something here. Let me just leave that there for now. So yeah, this will just be trigger, spawn inventory, like so. And here we're just going to arrive, event, obstruct, spawn, inventory, save. This will just be called spawn inventory, I think, as a function. So here will just be fn spawn inventory. This should be not commands.trigger spawn inventory, save again. That's fine. This should be fine. Does not describe a system. What do you mean doesn't describe a system? It's connected to Twitch. That's here. Paste. Authorize. Click this one. Yeah, okay, nice. Did it do the permissions thing? Yeah, it did. It did. Oh my god. What the? Yeah, see, no event subscriptions chosen, exiting event sub thread. Nice, and then it should be able to just send messages as the bot. Nice. That is Pog. All right. So I have some things I need to do with that, but that is basically what I wanted. So very, very nice. Ah. All right. Yeah, I got stuff to do with that. That's okay. Okay, let's close the very useful plugin stuff for now. Spawn inventory, that's an inventory. Come over to stages. Yeah, so after all this, we go commands to trigger spawn inventory. We haven't exposed this, so under tile here, spawn inventory. It is not VS Code, and thank God it's not. This is the Z editor. ZED, the Z editor. Wait, this did not compile. How did I mess it up? How did I mess it up? Why are you not compiling? Please tell me. I mean, I could just do this. I could just do this and it'll just tell me. Okay, I forgot to import this after making it public. Is that it? Is that it? Is that the only thing? No. It is not. Spawn inventory. Wait, why is this having troubles? Spawn inventory. What was the... I don't know. Okay, spawn inventory is this one. Which it's just the commands. Wait, what? Why does it have problems with this? Does not describe a valid system configuration. Wait, why not? Why is it not a valid systems configuration? Yo, what the?
Wow. Oh, wow.
Hello, Asterton. Hi. How you doing? Are you streaming? No, isn't Asterton streaming? Aren't they streaming? Oh, look at that. The making food. Look at that. Making food. Holy. Hello, Fizzbuzz. Hi. Hi. Look at that. Yeah, I drew that wanted poster. It's kind of scuffed. I think I can do better. I think I can do better. Look at that bunny hopping. It looks so good though. It's alright. This is the right one. The left one was by Cat. The right one, the wanted poster's me. Bye-bye. Spawn inventory. Yo, what if we raid Asterton while they're making food? You're talking about the right one? Yo, what's wrong with this? I don't know what's wrong with this. Does it need to be public? Like, ooh, is that it? It's fine now. Wait, what if I make it not public again? Oh, it's just fine now. Okay. Be temperamental then. The project is temperamental. Wanted posters. Yeah, what if I raid you right now, Asterton? What will you do? Will you continue making food? Oh man, I need to go do my things. I will be finishing soon, unfortunately. I want to go longer, but I'm hungry and I have stuff to do. And it's like, oh no, not the stuff. Yo, what is this? What is this? Asterton's AFK in the top 2 rows of the tech channel. Sheesh. Yeah, where am I? I am there. Number 4. Number 4. Yo, bookings. You would shout you out and then go make food again. Oh my god. That's been popping off today. I don't think you've been paying attention. Asterton's popping off every day. And every day it becomes bigger and bigger. It's like, what the Z coded it? Yeah. You've never heard of it before? Yeah, it's relatively new. But I really like it because it's all just like built in. Like you don't need to do any weird configuration stuff. It's all just like there ready to go. Yeah. I think I will be stopping not long after the 3-hour mark, unfortunately. Unfortunately, but that's okay. I will be... What's today? Today's Wednesday. I might stream late tomorrow. It's definitely possible. Yo! Hello, Rose. Hello. How you doing? Yeah, I'll probably stream late tomorrow, and then, well, unless I go to improv. I don't know if I want to go to the improv show or not. Fimshes! All of the Fimshes. Is it like a VS fork? No, it's not a VS Code fork. No, it's its own It's a editor made in Rust that was originally like made for Mac for some reason, but then they made releases for Linux and Windows, and it works excellently. It's got nothing to do with VS Code. If it had anything to do with VS Code, I would not use it. VS Code has some of the most ridiculous dumbass settings that I've ever seen, and so now, as you can hear, I'm a bit butthurt about it, and I'm like, oh no, not the VS Code. Yo, there's 2 buttons. Oh, what do we do? Complication. Oh, it's complicated. There's 2 buttons. Which one do we press? There's too many options. Oh, yo, that button he created. Oh, there we go again. Oh, it put one over here with the, oh, yeah, this button. That's the fun button. Let me just spam the button. Oh my god. Look at all the booster packs! Oh my god. Okay, what's this other button do? Nothing. Oh, it brought all the characters back. So if I fill up the board again with booster packs. Yo, look at them all go. Oh no, I'm at the limit of my zoom. I didn't know I had a zoom limit. There's so many packs. There's so many characters. I don't think we can get any of the other ones. Oh shit. Oh no, it reorganized where we're looking. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah, that's a lot of anchors. You can't really see it. Okay. Oh wait. Can we still manually move? Oh, we can still manually move it. Yeah, let's go. Oh wow, so many people have the group toughness thing. Okay, that just resets us to. Oh, look, they filled out the inventory. Wait, are they gonna start duplicating? So if I go press the button again, the button does not do anything. Wait, if I fill up all the tiles except for the blue one, can I just infinitely open packs? Yeah, I can, look at that. Yeah, thank you for feeding the fimsh. I got a little loot box farm here, holy. Oh. What if we make this into an event? It's like, it spawns a map with all loot boxes and you have like 5 seconds to open as many as you can, and then that's it, they will go away. That would be an interesting, yeah, I'm gonna write that one down. Special loot box event. A grid of loot boxes, and you have 5 seconds to open as many as you can. Yep, that's it. That's it. Very nice. We are nice. That is punk. Okay, yeah. I am hungry and I need to go do my things, unfortunately. I will finish here and like, yeah, we're done. We're done. This is cool. We're making progress. This is, yeah, we need to configure this button more / better. And we'll do that soon enough. Anyway, I think we're gonna go raid someone, right? Surely there's someone to raid. I mean, we could raid Asterton at worst. We'll raid Maisaka. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I don't raid anyone. Oh well, I might as well raid Asterton if I'm gonna raid anyone. Or like if I'm gonna raid no one. So I'm just having a scroll. Having a scroll. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. What the? Yeah, thank you everyone that came and chatted and hung out and asked questions. I'll see everyone hopefully tomorrow. If not tomorrow, it will be the day after tomorrow. And yeah, that's it. That's a wrap. That's a wrap. Okay. Stay safe, eat food, and I don't know. Be cool. Okay. Bye bye. Bye 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 bye.